Hi guys, I'm Beth and welcome to my channel, Bourbon Creek Crafts. Today I am sharing with you what I made for the Bringing Back Basic Gray collaboration. And this is just a collab between me and some friends who love basic gray paper, and I will tell you a little bit more about all that here in just a second. But what I have made today with my basic gray paper are these cute little nugget treat boxes for Halloween. This was a file from Silhouette that I bought and downloaded, and it gives you the file for it gives you the cut file for the box and for the cover, and then I just decorated it up and added my little Hershey's nuggets. So I thought I would kind of show you how it comes and then put one together with you real quick here while I tell you about the collaboration. The cut also comes with the score lines for the box and the score lines on the cover. And you could do it with cardstock and then add your pattern paper, or in this case I just used pattern paper for the whole cover. But anyway, so over the course of the last couple years, I've discovered that there are a few of us who love and miss basic gray papers and have been hoarding it. Because basic gray no longer makes paper, they make fabric now. And so there are some of us who've had basic gray paper for years and years, since I don't know how long it's been since basic gray stopped making their paper, but we've been hoarding it, and I thought it would be fun if we actually pulled a little bit out every month, enjoyed it, and used it, rather than just letting it sit in our drawers. Like, it's nice to know you have it, but isn't it nicer to actually use it and enjoy it? So we're not trying to use it up each month, we're just using a little bit each month, and this is one paper I actually saved my scraps from. But anyway, the other collaborators with me are Sarah, who is crafting and relaxing here on YouTube, and Kathy, who is Stampin' Cat over on Instagram. And they are both sharing projects today that they made using basic gray paper. So their links will be below for you to check them out and see what they made. And if you enjoy basic gray and have some in your stash, you are more than welcome to play along with us. So this box, like I said, it came with it cut the box and it added the perforated lines everywhere I needed to fold. I'm just adding glue to help hold it all together. And I used black cardstock for the box part, just because you're not going to see it as much. I wanted to save my paper to use for the outer part, like the cover on the box. So I've just added a little bit of glue to the tabs that fold in and kind of hold the sides together. And then I'm just adding some glue to the flaps and then folding them over, and using the bone folder to kind of burnish it down really well so that it's going to stay. And I am running low on glue here, so it's kind of hard to get any out. But I am getting enough to get it all to stay down. So that's all there is to the box part, and this box holds 6 nuggets. So you might be able to fit 4 of the Hershey's miniatures in here too if you wanted. There we go. But you would just have the nuggets fit perfect, just height and width. Okay, so the base of the box is complete, and then the wrap itself is really easy. There's a perforated line that has kind of a trimmed edge, an angled edge there, and then there are perforated lines for the fold as well. So then to attach the cover, all you do is put it on that little angled flap and then glue it down. And I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure that that is down really good as well. And I was worried about directional paper, but I think it's fine because, you know, the boxes are going to be sitting at different angles anyway. So to decorate my box, I'm using the back side. So this is what my basic gray paper looked like originally, and then the back side is this green. And so I'm using like the tear strips. You can see this is the tear strip, and I'm just using it to kind of go behind. It's going across the top part of my cover here, and then I have a cut apart that I cut out of another Recollections pad that I'm working on right now. The colors kind of worked really well with like the kind of off-whitish, grayish background there. And it looks like I need to trim just a little bit off of my strip here. So I will do that. And then you could decorate this up before you like folded it up and glued it, but it's just easier for me to see where everything's going once the cover is put together. So just to add some color on the top here, I've added that green strip, and then I have my little cut apart. And I just added that on there like that. Burnish it down, and then it just slides perfectly right over the box. And then you have a cute little box, and like I said, it holds 6 nuggets perfectly in there. So if you are interested in the file that I used, I can't link it because it was a purchased file, but if you are interested, I can let you know the name of it. So just let me know in the comments if you would like to know that. But here are my little nugget treat holders, and I will probably make some of these for craft shows this year. So that's why I thought I would try the file out with this paper first. I really liked that paper. I was happy to find a Halloween themed paper in my basic gray stash. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my quick little project, and please be sure to check out Sarah and Kathy. Their links will be listed in the description box below. I thank you guys so much for your time today, and hope you all have a very crafty day.